Hello friends, welcome back. Here's an extremely important update about TCS Digital. TCS Digital Admit Card has been released and we will discuss few important things in this video and important instruction for your exam, and we will also discuss how to download your admit card. First of all, let me show you admit card. You will get admit card of this type, and here will be your employee ID and here will be your name. I have hidden for security purposes, and exam venue will be mentioned here, and date of exam will be here. Reporting time, you have to report at 5 p.m. and test timing will be 6 p.m. to 8:20 p.m. and there are few instructions. Please ensure you carry the following documents with you to the test center on the day of exam. First one, 2 printed copies of admit card. 1 copy will be retained by invigilator. So be sure you have 2 copies of admit card and TCS ID card. These are 2 must things. All new joiners who are not provided with their ID cards, digital onboarding from June 2020, please ensure you carry the following documents with you to test center on the day of exam. First one, printed copies of admit card. 1 copy will be retained by invigilator, and TCS offer letter. Your original photo identity proof for verification like PAN card, driving license, passport, voter ID or Aadhaar card. Now please read through the COVID-19 guidelines mentioned in the admit card. I will also explain the same. Please carry a copy of signed COVID declaration. Please bring your own mask, gloves, personal hand sanitizer 50 ml, transparent water bottle, a simple pen or pencil, and the exam related documents like hall ticket, ID card, etc. No other items will be permitted inside the exam venue. As per COVID guidelines, drinking water will not be permitted within exam center. Banned items, bags, mobile phones, calculator and other electronic devices are strictly. The examination center will not be responsible for safekeeping of these items. Unfair means, adoption of any unfair means at the examination hall will result in disqualification from the test and your score will not be published. You will also not be able to participate in any subsequent selection process or test. Social distancing and safety guidelines for COVID-19. Candidates must maintain social distancing starting from point of entry in the exam venue till his/her exit from the exam venue. Candidate must bring their own mask, gloves, personal hand sanitizer 50 ml, transparent water bottle, a simple pen and the exam related documents. No other items will be permitted inside the exam venue. Candidate must declare under signature that they do not have COVID-19 symptom. Declaration is provided along with this admit card and show the same to the security guard at the entry into the exam venue. So you have not to prepare any other document to declare your COVID-19. So it is attached with your admit card only. Temperature of a candidate will be checked at the entry to the exam venue with a thermogun. Candidate with COVID-19 symptoms will not be allowed entry into the exam venue. Mapping of lab number will not be displayed outside the exam venue, but the same will be provided to the candidates individually at the time of entry of the candidate to the exam venue and post their hall ticket and ID verification. Candidate need to allow direction given by representatives and need to stand within in physical the circle drawn on the ground at the entry points. At registration desk, the candidate will be directed to sanitize his/her hands using provided sanitizer. Photograph will be captured during the registration process. Candidate is required to report at the exam venue strictly as per the time slot mentioned in the admit card. So here's the COVID-19 self-declaration that you have to submit there and you have to signature here. And so be clear, you have not to prepare any self-declaration document, any other source. You have to just declare here. And finally, how to download admit card. To download this admit card, link has been provided to you in description, and link has been also sent to you by TCS on your TCS mail ID. And after clicking that link, you will redirect it to this page, and here you have to simply enter your employee ID number, and after logging in, you will be able to download your admit card. So guys, thanks for watching this video and best of luck for your assessment 2021, and please subscribe this channel TCS India.